Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up an inspirational subscription. This is Annie's Kit Club. This is total inspo for DIYs and crafts. If you guys are unfamiliar with Annie's Kit Clubs, there are a bunch, like 20, I don't know the number, but there's a lot of different craft subscriptions there. They're all at an affordable price and I love it because it's all an experience and also you get to make an item and keep it. They have like crochet, all different types of crafts. I get the one that is Creative Woman of the Month Club, which is really cool because you get a different craft to do each month. So it's not about any specific craft, but like if you're into quilting, there is a craft subscription for that. I'm going to link them down below so you can check out the full array of craft subscriptions if you want to see those. They even have some for kids. I'll also leave down below a 50% off code if you're interested in any of them. You get 50% off no matter what the subscription is. It doesn't have to be the Creative Woman of the Month. This one is $19.99. I believe they're all similar price. I could be wrong. It could vary a little bit, but you can get your first one for $10. You can do it with the kids, yourself, your partner, whoever. It's just super fun, super cute bag. Let's see what is inside. And by the way, I am going to start doing more face videos. I was going to today. I actually have a little bit of makeup on, but I knew this was going to be a quick one, and I've got to run somewhere soon. But I read your comments, and I am going to switch things up, making changes, planning on it. Thank you for your feedback, but let's get this open. I'm thinking I might like have two cameras, maybe. I mean, that sounds a little ambitious of me, but like have scenes of me opening it and like up close footage of some of the items. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna push the bag over here. Let's see what we got. So this is the December subscription, or the thing. Okay, I'm sorry. I said December as I was reading November. So I'm sorry if I'm opening this a little late. Oh, you know what? It's reversible. Reversible holiday blocks. There's a give thanks and a jingle bells. Okay, so this is reversible holiday blocks. So even if I'm opening it a few weeks late, and anyways, you can be thankful all year round. I'm all about gratitude. You can use this still in December. This is so cute. So they give you all the things you need pretty much. Let me get this open. Sorry for my awkward like little pause there. I was trying to figure out what month it was. So cute. I really like that. So I am not naturally crafty like at all. And I used to like avoid crafts because I thought I sucked at them and stuff. But this is for all levels, whether you're like really good or you're like me and you know, looks like a child did it. It's okay. It's for everyone. So I love the little thing that comes with it because it goes step by step for all the instructions. So it says in your kit you get wood blocks, pattern sheet, paint, paint marker, chalk, sandpaper, and paintbrush. And then from home, pretty much always things you'd have anyways, like paper towels, disposable plate, painter's tape, scrap paper, scissors, pencil, cup or bowl of water, and waxed or parchment paper. And there's been times like I don't have painter's tape, but you can always find something like regular tape or I don't know. I made that work before. I can't remember what I used, but I never had that. It's the blue tape, right? And that gives you some helpful hints and to get started. So you sand the blocks and then you line it with your tape, lay them out. So they tell you how to put them all in order, and then the paint, how to use that, like literally everything step by step with pictures. Super awesome. And I love that they gave us the like fonts like for the words because my handwriting isn't great. Because I first thought, I'm like, that's really cute. I'm like, oh God, I couldn't write like that. But luckily they gave us a little printout to work with. So on one side it says thanks, give thanks, and then jingle bells. That is so cute. I'm so happy for that. And here are the blocks. You get a paintbrush, different colored paints, and then this is just like extra paper. Oh, and here is the white paint marker with a medium tip. Cool. This is super cute and super doable. Like I said, I've been getting this for a while, so you can look at my playlist if you want to see what past months have looked like. But I really do think this is great, and it's great for like if you want something to do at home with the family, or if you want to gift something to someone, since the holidays are here. Pretty crazy, time flies, but I definitely recommend this. I think it's fun. I'm all about the experiences, so you can give a gift for yourself or someone else and spend some time together. That's what's most important when you look back, right? But I'll stop being cheesy and sentimental and say my goodbyes here. I thought this was super cute and fun. Can't wait to do it. This is one I feel like I could easily do. And so can you. Everyone can. So I feel like I'm being repetitive now. I'm going to go. I hope you guys have a great day. Again, Annie's will be linked down below. Check out their subscription plans. Definitely use that code if you want to save 50%. And I will see you guys later. I am so grateful for you. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't entered my giveaway video, it's the Ipsy one. Check it out next. Bye.